Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Lee, and I'm here to help you learn how to use Excel quickly and easily with our digestible video tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to highlight blank cells in an Excel spreadsheet using conditional formatting. This method is great for getting an overview of the cells that contain data and those that are blank. Ready to get started? First, we need to select the area where we want to detect and highlight blank cells. Selecting whole columns is a great way to do this if your table contains a lot of information. Then go to the Styles group and click on Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. In the pop-up window, select the option Format only cells that contain and then select blanks. Next, click on the Format button to choose how you want to format the blank cells. We'll go with red. Then click on the chosen color and confirm with OK. The blank cells in the table will now be highlighted in red. Dynamic highlighting means that if you enter a value in a cell, the highlighting will disappear, and if you delete a value, the cell will be highlighted in the chosen color. To turn the function off, go to Conditional Formatting and then Clear Rules. To clear the rules from the entire sheet, select Clear Rules from Entire Sheet and the highlighting will be gone. If you found this tutorial helpful, why not show us some love and subscribe to our channel? Sheet Leveler has plenty of video tutorials to help you learn Excel like a boss in a snap. Join Sheet Leveler today and start your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.